Hi, I'm Paul Haydocy with Road Adventures, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize your refrigerator for your nuCamp Tab 400. Your refrigerator for your Tab 400 has three power settings: electric, propane, and battery. Electric, you have to be plugged into shore power. Propane, you have to have your tanks open. And battery is designed to just maintain the temperature of the fridge, not actually cooling it. Anytime you see the A on the display board, that means you're on auto. Auto's always going to try to pull from electric first and then propane. It will not try to run the fridge off of battery. Thanks for watching. To check out more how-to videos, visit our YouTube page or go to roadadventures.com and start planning your next Great American Getaway.